Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my best purchases in 2021. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and consider subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first item I want to share with you is definitely from my favorite store, Van Cleef and Arpels, and it's a jewelry item. So this is the first item. It is the Van Cleef Arpels Vintage Alhambra necklaces. It's in yellow gold with diamond. So this is my absolute favorite, and it is my top one favorite purchases from this year. It is very durable. I actually wear it every day, 24/7. I switch it off just because I want to show you guys here today. So I cannot say really good enough of words for this one. I find out this is just match with everything, and yellow gold, yeah, so it does not, you know, pick the color that you're wearing. So normally I just wear it with shower and even at night. Well, it is not recommended by any sales by any chance, but I'm such a lazy person, so I always forgot to take it off at night. So yeah, this is absolute my best purchases throughout the year, and I do have some you know, cons and updates and tips for you guys for after 1 year of wearing these necklaces. So just watch out for my next video. And then the second item I want to share is also from Van Cleef and Arpels. This is the mother of pearl earrings from Van Cleef and Arpels. So I love the size of the vintage Alhambra earrings, and I love the fact of how you can put it on. This is how there is a clip in the back. You can just clip it on. I'm not sure if you can see it. So which the good thing about this clip back is that you never worry about losing the back part. So I have many other earrings, but I always lose the back part. So but for these earrings you won't have that issue. So absolute favorite, and it matches with everything. It is a daily wear ones. You can go to fine dinings, you wear this one, it's in a good shape in those formal situations, or if you want to go casual, go, you know, hang out with friends. Just love it because white mother of pearl, it just go with everything. You never go wrong with it. So yes, but my wish list for next year, I might still get the guilloche ones, just because I have my vintage Alhambra bracelets in yellow gold with the yellow gold with diamond, and also the guilloche ones. Since I already have the necklaces in yellow gold with diamond, then I want to pair up the vintage Alhambra earrings with the guilloche one, so I will have a final look. But the next item I want to talk about is from Hermes, these orange boxes. I'm very excited to show you guys. It is a scarf, but this is a new size that I never had this size before. It is 70s. It is different from the 90 size, that 90 by 90 ones, which I found out it's a little bit too bulky while I was wearing those 90 by 90 scarf. But this 70 by 70 scarf is definitely a huge plus for me, and also the pattern. I've been waiting for this pattern for so long, even though the color is not my originally wanted color, but still this pattern is just so pretty. Let me show you this 70 by 70 silk scarf. So this is a swing dance scarf from Hermes. It is not from this season. The original color I want is black and white, and in jazz music it's just so pretty and elegant and classic, so I just love it. And I also got this scarf ring. I really love it. It has the horses, and it also have the Hermes side, and if you don't want to show the logo, then you have the plain side. Okay, so this is how the 70 by 70 centimeter scarf from Hermes look like on me. So I think this is just the right size for me. I don't like the 90 by 90, the bigger one. I feel like it's too bulky here, and this is just right. It is not like the trilly ones, it's too small. I love this size on me. So what do you guys think? And what's special about these ones is that those edges those edges is actually hand rolled edges. So if you see it clearly, it is really wear-made silk scarf from Hermes. The first item I want to talk about is my Mikimoto bracelets. I didn't take it off just because I wear it 24/7 since I got it in July. So it's been almost half a year. I wear it every day. I love this new bracelets I got from this year. This is my best bracelets I got from this year that I love. It actually called the Station from Mikimoto. Mine is in the yellow gold with 6mm pearl. So I love the fact that it moves around. I like the size. I didn't adjust the size at all. It's just the right size for me, and it is a good statement piece from Mikimoto. You can wear it by itself, or you can, like me, you can just layer it with any other bracelets that you have. So very happy with these purchases, and I got a lot of compliments as well. And the last item I want to talk about is from a SLG item. It is from the Louis Vuitton. I got this at the beginning of the year, and know that Louis Vuitton increases the price on this item, you know, throughout the months this year, and I just cannot say more about this item. It's in very durable quality. Just as always, Louis Vuitton make the best SLG ever. The price is good, it's right compared to any other luxury brand, and the quality is amazing. And specifically for this SLG, I'm still using it. That's why you see all my daily credit cards is in. I have my ID and credit cards and insurance cards on this side, and I have another additional credit cards on this side, and inside I usually will slip in some cash, and also if I have one more card I will put it in. I feel like as a SLG, a card holder, it fits so many cards. So I also get another card holder from Hermes this year, but I prefer the Louis Vuitton one definitely compared to the Hermes one. Hermes one, don't get me wrong, it's in an amazing beautiful shape. It has those horses, signature horses, but for this one you can only feel like 3 cards. You cannot feel too much. It's not good for my essentials. So my daily essentials, if I just wear this one card holder, I can go outside, then it will be this one. I have like more than 3 cards that I have to hold. You have to have an ID card, and I would like to have some you know, insurance card, and also some cash, and also the 2 or 3 credit cards inside of this. So yep, this is very pretty, but just not on my list, and I never use this one actually, but I just love the shape. I saw this this card holder, I feel like it's so pretty, so I asked my essay, and they actually ordered this piece from another Hermes store and ship it to me, but unfortunately I never use any time, like not even one time. But this one, I use it daily. I thought of switch my cards into this one, but they only fits like 3. I tried and I failed, I guess. Okay, that was all the items that I want to show you in my 2021 best purchases. If you like this video, of course, please consider subscribe and like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.